Good morning. Welcome to Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. And today we're going to focus on options volume stats for January. But before we get to that, a big shout out to the traders and my colleagues on the Nasdaq Philex options trading floor in the heart of Philadelphia. Congrats on a spectacular win at the Super Bowl. And this is coming from a Giants fan, although Eli and Odell owned the Super Bowl commercials. Now let's look at some equally impressive volume stats for January. The Options Clearing Corp announced that cleared contract volume in January was up 42% from January 2017, with nearly 480 million contracts traded, while average daily volume OCC is up 35% in 2018, with just about 23 million contracts. Index options volume in January was the highest month ever, up 52% from a year ago, with just over 56 million contracts traded. Now, these are impressive numbers considering the historically low volatility environment that we have seen in January and certainly through 2017. Let's shift gears and catch you up on NDXP PM settled weekly options on the Nasdaq 100. January was the first month that PM settled weekly options on the Nasdaq 100 were listed, with a total of 81,995 contracts traded on Philex. Traders with NDXP in their portfolios will be able to trade the Nasdaq 100 weekly expiration through 4 p.m. on the day of expiration, where in the past NDX weeklies were settled on the opening price of the index and trading ceased at 4:15 the Thursday before, and that's what created that overnight gap risk. PM settled options eliminate that risk. The first NDXP expiration was February 2nd, the day after Nasdaq 100 heavyweights Apple, Amazon, Alphabet reported after the close on that Thursday. Going forward, all non-third Friday weekly expirations on the Nasdaq 100 are PM settled under ticker NDXP. Third Friday expiration will continue to be traded under the ticker NDX and will be AM settled. And finally, Monday options expiration on SPY, they will be available beginning February 16th. For more information on NDXP PM settled options, please visit business.nasdaq.com/NDXP. And as always, on Twitter at Nasdaq, Jill Malandrino, and hashtag TradeTalks for the latest on NDX, NDXP, and all the latest trends for traders. From the Nasdaq market site in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.